How to make the perfect coffee. You will need coffee beans, full cream milk, white sugar, a coffee plunger, a measuring glass, a kettle, and a coffee mug. Step 1. Grind the coffee beans. Grind 1 cup of coffee beans thoroughly. Step 2. Boil the kettle. Add approximately 4 coffee cups of water to the kettle. Step 3. Add milk. Measure out 150 milliliters of full cream milk. Step 4. Add sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Step 5. Add eggs. Step 6. Mix up all the ingredients. Step 6. Mix up. Step Step 6. Mix up all the ingredients together. Mix well until all the ingredients are thoroughly combined together. Step 7. Pour into coffee plunger. Carefully scoop up the mixture and place it into your coffee plunger. Why use a plunger? A coffee plunger allows the coffee to brew without being exposed to pressure or the boiling process. This results in a smooth, crisp taste that everybody loves. Step 8. Serve and enjoy. Careful, it's hot.